Hello, welcome to the course content photography at Blue Hour Light. Here you will learn what type of photos you should take in Blue Hour and what type of photos you should avoid, along with properties of Blue Hour Light and time span. Here a table where time of day and night broken down based on type of light. The dawn and dusk are Blue Hour Light. Blue Hour when the sun is slightly below the horizon, leaving the sky deep blue. Next figure will show scope of blue hour in nature based on science. The blue hour is the period of twilight early in the dawn each morning and late in the dusk each evening during the nautical twilight space and phase. When the sun is at a significant depth below the horizon, this effect is caused by the relative diffusibility of short blue wavelengths of light versus the longer and wavelengths. During the blue hour, typically a period of 40 minutes in length, red light passes straight into the space while blue light is scattered in this atmosphere and therefore reaches the Earth's surface. Many photographers and artists treasure this period because of quality of the light. One important thing, the blue hour doesn't do much good for portraits photos. The blue hour is really great for landscapes, cityscapes, street photography, light rail photography, architecture photography, and so forth. You can combine the city lights with nature lights in order to create some interesting combinations. If you do this at midnight, for example, the sky will be black and your subject won't stand out at all. By shooting during the blue hour, you still have the light in the sky and some texture if there are clouds, while capturing all the city lights as well. This makes a more dynamic and natural looking photos. When the blue hour starts, it starts surprisingly suddenly. So it is essential that you are prepared. Get your shooting location with plenty of time to spare, even if that means getting up in the middle of the night. And another fact, set up your camera on a sturdy tripod. Set the ISO nice and low and use a long exposure.